Hi guys, here I am at Big Lots and I thought we'd look at some of their home decor. So let me show you. That stuff is up really high, but how gorgeous does that look? So they have down here these lanterns. I think these are LED guys and they're $15. Aren't they pretty? So then this one here looks like a light bulb. Isn't that neat? Those are so nice. Let's see, those are 12 guys. So they have plenty of those right here. Then if you come down here, this one looks like a light bulb too. So those are really nice. Then you have this one right here. Isn't that pretty? Let me see if I have a tag on this one. I don't see a tag on that one. But this one right here is very pretty too, guys. Look at that. And this one here is $15. Then here are the owl ones. I don't know. Those is like so nice. I love those. Then down here they have these lanterns. Well, the owl ones are $15, guys. And look how beautiful they are. Anyway, these down here, isn't that a beautiful shape? It's like a double lantern together. Anyway, those are $30. And then these right here are $20. And they have them back here in the white. So that's really nice. And look at these. These are $25 in that shape. So the smaller lanterns here, I think I showed these. These are $15. Then they have the smaller LED ones, and these are $10 right here. So they have this kind right here, and these are $10 also, guys. Then they have this kind right here, okay, and these are $20. So those are the lanterns I showed you. Those are $20. And if we come over here, we have these LED candles. Aren't they pretty, guys? These are $10. And then look how pretty this is. This is like a metal, LED metal ball. Okay, and those are $15. So if you look up there, guys, they have those. Look at those bushes. They're shaped like, those hedges, they're shaped like dogs. That's so cute. Okay, and then they have these globe lights. These globe lights are $22. Okay, and then these lights right here, those are $25. These are the butterfly light sets. Those are $14. And here they go here. They have that kind right there. I just showed you for $25. And here are the round ones for $14. See that, guys? And then look at these. They have the outdoor, like, lighted chandelier. I'm absolutely loving these. Those are $30, guys. And here are the white lights, mini lights for $9. And I think it's 20% off of the outside lights. Little mini. Now look at these, guys. Oh my God. Doesn't that look so glam? I'm loving those. Look at that. Those are $12, guys. Those are gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And then they have these blue round balls, the stars, and the white ones. And then they have those. These are all $8. These are $5.50. These are $5.50. Then they have these right here, the balls in multicolor, $14. And then they have this kind right here. Those are $12. And the dragonfly lights, these down here, guys, of $14. So let's take a quick look, guys. So they have the paper plates over here on this aisle. This is one aisle over. Isn't that adorable? I absolutely love this. This is so nice. It's like so happy. The napkins and the paper plates. And these napkins are a little bit different. They're floral. And then they have watermelon. And they have more florals there along the top. So then you come into these cups. These are the llama cups. These are $5. And here's the dog one. So those are $5. Let me show you the outside plasticware. So these, guys, this style right here is $2.50 a glass. And they're plastic. And then these are a little bit smaller. They're also $2.50 a glass. So this one says Bling Bling Day. I like that. And this one says good vibes only and make it happen. How nice. And then look at these, guys. These are the flamingo ones. These are $5 a piece. So guys, they have the little dog tumblers with a handle. These are pretty big too. These are $7. You have that dog and then you have that one. So if we come down here, okay, you have a pack of 4. And these are the clear plates. These are pretty nice though. They're $6 for 4 plates. And you have the bowls. And I believe the bowls, I can't reach back there to see how much those are. Hold on. The bowls are also $6 for 4. And so are the tumblers. So they have these big plastic cups. I'm liking that design, guys. $5. That's nice. And they have it in blue. So here's the blue set. I like the blue set. I think it's nice. Then they have these paper plates here. Hello, summer. Look at the watermelon. Don't those look real, guys? Look at that. And then what are these? These are picnic blankets. I like that. 20 bucks. Then they have the acrylic dinnerware. Let me see how much that is. I don't see a price, guys. And then I think this is what? This is like, let's see. It's like picnic. No, it's a cooler tote with the wheels. I think this has wheels. No, it's just a cooler tote. And look how humongous this plastic bucket is, guys. I can't even, with one hand, I can't see how much that is. But over here, I think I showed you this galvanized tray. I get so excited when I come here. So this galvanized tray in the oval shape, that's $12. And there it is in the round shape, and that's $15. And they're huge. So here's the tier tray. Let me see. So the tier tray, okay. This one has a price. So all these tier trays right here, guys, and including the white. I think the white might be a little bit more expensive, but I don't see a price. Hold on, I just saw a tag. Okay, the white ones are $24, and the galvanized metal, they're all galvanized metal, but the white ones are $1 less. I don't know. I don't know about that. So anyway, then you have this cake stand. So it's a galvanized cake stand, which I think is beautiful. $15. And here's the ice bucket, guys. This is $18. Then they have this long one. See that from the side. And I don't see a tag, so I can't tell you the price on that. Let me see. $15. So those, that's the size of them. And those are $15. And then they have these, guys. I don't think this was here the last time I was here. Let me see. What are these called? They just call metal tray. Those are $12. Aren't they gorgeous? Look at that with the brass handle. So then this one here has a faux concrete for $14. Then they have these compartment wires, and I can't reach those over there. And then along the top you have some more lanterns and some faux flowers along the top. So then I couldn't figure out last time I was here what this was, but it's for napkins. I don't really like how it looks, guys, but it's $8. So they have these melamine plates in that style. So these are $9 for 4. And you have this style right here. And here are the bigger plates. So the bigger plates are, I can't reach over there to see how much they are, but they have it in that style. So this is a little bit lower for me. So this is the taller glass. This is $2.50. And look at this one, guys. Isn't that beautiful? That's $2.50. And then they have the smaller one. I think they're all $2.50 no matter what the size, and that's what they look like. Then they have this set here. So this is a set of 4 for $7. And then here's the white set. So let me show you. These are a little lower. Okay, guys, so these salad plates here, I don't know. I'm liking that yellow. So that's $9 for 4. And they have it in this style. And then this is the blue style I just showed you. Isn't that beautiful? And then these are supposed to be succulents, I think. So that's nice. And then they have it in this floral. It's really nice. So they have all of the bowls, and look at the smaller dishes. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? I like that. And the huge bowls right here, the smaller ones. And these are the huge platters. Take a look at that platter, guys. That is so huge. And then look at this tray. Those have lemons on it. So then they have the all, no, these are not all white. And here's the huge yellow one. Wow, those are so fun. Look how pretty that is. So this one here, I don't see a price on this one. So let's grab one of these. they're $6 for these. Then if you come over here, these are $7. I didn't used to like succulents, but I really like them now. So these are $4 for this one. And this one is like 3 different kinds. It's a smaller one though, that's $4. And look at this beautiful color. Isn't that beautiful? $4. Then this one here is in the wood. I think that has like a little wire to put a picture in. So I'm really liking this one here. This arrangement. That's $22, and that's what it looks like, guys. So if we look over here, they have the smaller ones, the smaller arrangements, and it looks like the concrete pot, $10 for that one. And look how pretty that one is, guys. $12 for that one. And I think that one's gorgeous. Then look at this one. Isn't that beautiful? Let me see how much that is. $7. That's pretty. So they have 2 of those. This is like the snake plant. This is $8. And this one was here the last time. These are kind of pretty too. These are 10. This one here in the black pot, I think that's, yeah, I think that is, here's, those are 12. These here, because these here are bigger. And they have this faux flower one right here. $8 for that one. And you have the slightly bigger ones. Let's see how much this big one is. That's $15. And here's another succulent arrangement. And this one is $14. And this one is $14. Isn't that pretty, guys? And I'm loving that stand. Do you see that stand, guys? Oh my goodness, how much is that? And that's a snake. I think that's a snake plant. $20. This is an aloe vera, faux aloe vera. Let's see how much that is. $15. And look, guys, these are the faux succulents. Isn't that beautiful? I don't think I've ever seen this one. So this one is $2. And like the quality, I mean, if you see these are like so gorgeous. The quality is so, oh my God, they look so realistic. So they have a whole slew of them over here in the box, guys. Then they have some more succulent arrangements here. Let me see how much this is. That's $22 for those. Then they have some faux aloe vera over there, and over there they have some more arrangements. So let me show you what else they have. No problema. So these are 2 towels. I'm not sure is this microfiber or not. I think they're not. So let's see if I can reach the tag here. Those are $6, you get 2. Then they have this one here that says, let's talk about it. Taco about it. Tropical state of mind. Stand tall. And what does this one say? Sweet summer. Yeah. Then here are the vinyl tablecloths, guys, and those are $4.50. And I'm not sure if they range in sizes, but they should. Then they have the placemats along the bottom, the matching placemats, and these are $1.50 each. Little handbag coolers, and along the top they have the charcoal grills, guys. So guys, thank you for coming with me to Big Lots to check out some of their home decor and out decor. And I'll see you in another video.